While everyone's fighting over coding jobs, I'm quietly making six figures with WordPress. That's right. While others compete for crowded developer positions, I found a different path. Did you know WordPress powers over 43% of all websites globally? That's not just blogs. We're talking major businesses, e-commerce stores, and professional portfolios. The demand for WordPress professionals is massive, yet most people overlook it, thinking real tech means complex coding. BIT's WordPress course teaches everything from installation to custom theme development and plugin integration. The best part? You can start with zero coding experience. Within weeks you'll build websites clients pay thousands for. From freelancing to agency work, WordPress opens doors everywhere. Stop competing in overcrowded coding pools. Join BIT's course today and build the web your way, with skills that are in high demand and low supply. Let's break down what you'll learn in BIT's WordPress course. The journey starts with the basics and builds up to advanced skills. Module 1, Introduction to WordPress. You'll discover the history, power, and possibilities of the platform. Module 2, Installation and Setup. Learn how to install WordPress, configure settings, and launch your first site. Module 3, Themes and Customization. Explore how to choose, install, and customize themes to create unique websites. Module 4, Plugins and Functionality. Add powerful features to your site with essential plugins. Module 5, Content Creation and Management. Master posts, pages, media, and menus to build engaging sites. Module 6, Security and Maintenance. Keep your site safe and running smoothly with best practices. Module 7, SEO and Performance. Optimize your sites for search engines and fast loading speeds. Module 8, E-commerce with WooCommerce. Build online stores and manage products, payments, and shipping. Module 9, Capstone Project. Apply everything you've learned to create a professional website from scratch. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build, customize, and launch WordPress websites for clients or your own business. You'll know how to secure sites, optimize for SEO, and add advanced features with plugins and themes. You'll have a portfolio-ready project to showcase your skills to employers or clients. Graduates of BIT's WordPress course have gone on to become freelance web designers, agency developers, and even launch their own businesses. Take Sarah, for example. She started with no tech background, but after completing BIT's WordPress course, she landed her first freelance client and now runs her own web design business. The skills you gain open doors to high-demand, high-income opportunities in tech. Ready to transform your career? Join BIT's WordPress course today and start building the web your way. Visit our website to enroll and unlock your future in tech. Your journey could be next. Imagine building websites, helping businesses grow, and creating your own path in tech. The first step is just one click away. Are you ready to unlock your future?